Welcome to One Question at a Time SAT series. Question number 1. This is from questions from the parent how to prepare for the SAT 16th edition. What is the value of x over x minus a plus a over a minus x when x is 50 and a is 10? So usually we can plug in x equal 50 and a equal 10 in the expressions, but we can have a shortcut when we check for the denominator different from 0, because x is 50 and a is 10, so 50 minus 10 is 40, and also 10 minus 50 is negative 40, so the denominator is different from 0. We noted that they will have the two fractions will have the same denominator when we rewrite it as x over x minus a and then plus a over minus x minus a, and it can be written as x over x minus a minus a over x minus a. So now we have two fractions with the same denominator, different from 0. We can add the numerator together, so x minus a over x minus a, and that gives us equal 1. So the answer for this question is 1 without plug-in. So if you see some similar questions like that, making sure the first step you have to check for the denominator. Denominator have to be different from 0. In this case, we have x minus a is different from 0, and a minus x different from 0. The second step is making sure you have the common denominator for both fractions in the expressions. Thank you for participating in this series, and see you next time.